Is your lawnmower ready for winter? If you skip this simple step, you could end up with a rusty mower, a clogged carburetor, or even a dead battery come spring. Welcome to WholeToolBox, your go-to source for DIY lawn care tips and reliable mower parts. Winterizing your mower isn't complicated, it's just about protecting it so it's ready to fire up when you need it. Start by running or siphoning out any leftover gas, or add a fuel stabilizer so it doesn't go bad. Next, disconnect and check your spark plug. Replace it if it's worn, remove the blade, clean it up, and sharpen it so it's ready for a clean cut next season. Don't forget to drain out the old oil, clean the undercarriage of stuck-on grass, and refill with fresh oil before storage. Swapping out the air filter and installing a fresh spark plug are quick fixes that make a huge difference too. And if you've got a battery-powered mower, store the battery inside where it won't freeze. And remember, if you ever need replacement parts, we've got you covered with blades and belts, controls and levers, deck and cutting systems, drive and transmission parts, electrical components, engine parts, fasteners, hardware, and more. Along with the key steps, store your mower in a dry, sheltered place like a shed or garage, and if you cover it with a tarp, make sure it's ventilated to prevent moisture buildup. For electric or battery-powered models, remove the battery, keep it in a cool, dry spot, and charge it before storage to extend its lifespan. From tools to parts, we've got the solutions to keep your equipment performing. Shop now at WholeToolBox.com, and be sure to check out our blog, How to Winterize Lawnmowers, Essential Tips at the End of the Season, on WholeToolBox.com. Follow us on social media for more expert lawn care and power tool tips from WholeToolBox. Thanks for watching.